The vegetable washing and the dewatering process line is made of stainless steel. It's designed to wash all kinds of vegetables, including root crop and leaf veg. As we can see, for automation is realized by joining two units by mesh conveyors. Vegetables in the clean unit will be washed thoroughly under the high-pressure spray of spout mounted on the bracket, and the hair tackling waste brush will be discharged with debris through the lower waste outlet. Conveniently, the clean vegetables are ready to be dried. Air drain section is comprised of pairs of air dryers, and with its multi-plate flattened design, the materials can be dried evenly. Further processing, for instance packaging, grain can be kept on rice after dehydration. Run a catering business, the veg cleaning and drying process line will be a great helper.